Today, we're comparing Brightline West, America's ambitious new high-speed rail project, against China's CR400 Fuxing bullet train. Brightline West targets premium intercity travel in the western United States, connecting Las Vegas with Southern California's major pollutants. Design-wise, Brightline West embraces premium American high-speed rail aesthetics with sleek, streamlined styling.
Size-wise, both systems use similar 8-car configurations around 660 feet long. The CR400 Fuxing
investment scale is vastly different. Brightline West represents a $12 to $15 billion project for one corridor. Both compete in the elite global high-speed rail segment alongside Japan's Shinkansen, France's TGV, and Germany's ICE. Brightline West represents American private sector high-speed rail innovation, developed by Brightline's parent company. What matters most? Brightline West prioritizes premium passenger experience and convenient corridor connectivity with American.
First impressions reveal distinct characters. Brightline West commands attention with sleek American high-speed design and premium position.
Build quality inspection reveals different manufacturing approaches. Brightline West demonstrates modern American rail manufacturing. CR4 quick differentiator recap. Brightline West stands out as America's ambitious new high-speed rail corridor with premium service positioning. Let's examine exterior design from every angle. From aerodynamic nose design to livery execution.
The Brightline West features streamlined American nose design, emphasizing sleek visual appeal and modern aesthetics.
Front lighting technology favors the CR400 Fuxing with advanced LED arrays optimized for high-speed operations and distinctive signature lighting.
From the side, Brightline
window design reflects operational requirements. Brightline West features large passenger windows, maximizing scenic viewing along the desert corridor route.
Livery execution delivers different brand identities. Both execute their branding effectively. CR400's livery is more iconic. Bogie design is critical at extreme speeds. Brightline West employs modern high-speed bogies suitable for 200. Pantograph design impacts reliability at speed. Brightline West uses modern pantograph technology for effective power collection.
Door systems reflect operational speeds. Brightline West features modern plug-style doors with level boarding for efficient passenger flow.
Dynamic efficiency is paramount at extreme speeds. Brightline West achieves effective aerodynamics for 200-mile-per-hour operations.
Complete dimension breakdown. Both use similar 8-car configurations around 660 feet long. CR400 Fuxing features wider engines.
unique exterior elements set them apart. Brightline West features premium American rail design cues and desert corridor optimizations.
Paint quality reflects different scales. Brightline West will employ modern rail coating standards with quality application.
Environmental protection differs by operational scope. Brightline West is optimized for desert corridor conditions with heat and dust mitigation. Both systems feature comprehensive LED exterior lighting for safety and visibility.
In exterior design, the CR400 Fuxing takes the category decisively with its iconic dolphin nose. Superior.
Now let's step inside both trains. We'll compare seating design, passenger amenities, materials qualities.
Driver cab design reflects operational complexity. Brightline West features modern American high-speed mechanisms. Cab materials and ergonomics prioritize driver performance. Brightline West employs modern rail-grade materials with filters. Premium seating reflects different market expectations. Brightline West will offer American-style business class, emphasizing generous.
Standard seating reveals different priorities. Brightline West will emphasize American spacing expectations with premium comfort even in inters.
Seat features favor CR400 Fuxing with advanced multi-position recline, comprehensive USB and power charging.
Passenger space allocation differs by market philosophy. Brightline West will offer 36 to 40 inches seat pitch. Restroom facilities reflect operational experience. Brightline West will provide American Rail standard restrooms meeting accessibility and comfort requirements.
Luggage storage accommodates different travel patterns. Brightline West will provide American-style overhead racks. Food service approaches differ. Brightline West plans cafe or bistro car service with American dining concepts for the cooks. Ambient lighting creates passenger atmosphere. Brightline West will implement modern cabin lighting for premium ambience.
Interior acoustics are critical at extreme speeds. Brightline West will provide modern high-speed rail sound insulation for 200-mile-per-hour comfort.
Climate control impacts passenger comfort significantly. Brightline West will implement modern HVAC systems for temperatures. Both systems prioritize accessibility. Wheelchair spaces, accessible restrooms, comprehensive visual and interior build quality assessment reveals operational versus planned execution. Brightline West plans modern American rail interior standards with quality materials.
In interior design and quality, the CR400 Fuxing wins decisively with proven operational refinement across driver cabin.
Technology defines modern high-speed rail capabilities. Let's compare signaling and control systems, passenger information tech. Train control systems are foundational. Brightline West employs positive train control and modern American signaling.
Passenger information systems enhance travel experience. Brightline West will implement modern digital displays providing journey information.
Brightline West plans Wi-Fi implementation for passenger internet access. CR400 Fuxing provides operational high-speed.
Both systems employ regenerative braking, returning energy to the catenary during deceleration.
Safety systems are paramount. Brightline West will implement positive train control, providing automatic train protection.
CR400 Fuxing operates from advanced integrated stations featuring platform screen doors, automated
ticketing technology streamlines passenger access. Brightline West will implement modern digital ticketing and payment systems.
Operations management scale differs dramatically. Brightline West will manage single corridor operations between Las Vegas and Southern California. Maintenance technology ensures reliability. Brightline West will implement modern maintenance systems for fleet management. CR400 Fuxing. In technology, the CR400 Fuxing dominates completely with proven CTCS3 train control. Performance defines high-speed rail excellence. We'll compare maximum speeds, acceleration.
Maximum speed capabilities heavily favor CR400 Fuxing. Brightline West targets 200-mile-per-hour design speed.
Both systems deliver excellent acceleration from electric traction. Station departure acceleration is smooth and powerful on both. Journey time efficiency reflects operational performance.
Operational frequency reveals scale differences. Brightline West plans initial hourly service on its corridor. CR400.
Reliability defines passenger trust. Brightline West's reliability remains to be established as a new system. CR400.
Brightline West is optimized for Mojave Desert corridor conditions, including extreme heat. CR400 Fuxing.
Both systems utilize efficient electric traction with regenerative braking. Energy efficiency is inherent to electric high-speed vehicles. Both systems feature advanced braking, combining regenerative and friction systems.
Emergency braking performance is excellent.
Operational flexibility reflects route diversity. Brightline West operates on dedicated desert corridor along Interstate 50.
Overall performance character distinguishes them fundamentally. Brightline West will deliver premium American high-speed rail experience at 200 miles per hour.
In performance and operations, the CR400 Fuxing wins decisively across all categories, with 207 turns.
Network and infrastructure scale defines operational scope. Let's compare route networks, station infrastructure. Network scale differs astronomically. Brightline West comprises a single 270-mile corridor, connects. Station infrastructure scale is vastly different. Brightline West will serve 4 to 5 modern American high-speed rail stations. Maintenance infrastructure reflects operational scale. Brightline West will operate a single maintenance facility serving its corridor fleet.
Both systems employ dedicated high-speed rail corridors with world-class construction standards. Track quality will be excellent. Both systems use overhead catenary with high-voltage AC electrification. Power supply engineering is sophisticated.
In network and infrastructure, the CR400 Fuxing wins overwhelmingly with 45,000 plus kilometers of distance. Safety is paramount in high-speed rail. Let's compare safety systems, operational safety records, Accidents.
Active safety systems provide accident prevention. Brightline West will implement positive train control and modern safety technology.
Operational safety records reveal proven performance. Brightline West safety record will be established through operations as a new system. Both systems incorporate advanced structural safety design with crash energy management protecting passengers. Both systems feature comprehensive emergency response procedures and evacuation systems. CR400
In safety, the CR400 Fuxing wins decisively with proven CTCS3 safety systems, except exempts.
Investment scale is dramatically different. Brightline West represents a $12 to $15 billion project developing a single high-speed corridor. Economic impact differs by scope. Brightline West will generate significant regional economic development and job creation in the passenger value propositions differ. Brightline West offers premium fast alternative to driving between Las Vegas and Southern California with competitions.
Both systems deliver environmental value through zero direct emissions and sustainable electric transportation.
Development models differ fundamentally. Brightline West represents private sector high-speed rail development in America. CR400 Fuxing.
Brightline West proves high-speed rail viability in America, potentially catalyzing future development. CR400. In value and investment, the CR400 Fuxing wins across all categories with trillion-dollar national investment. Category by category recap shows CR400 Fuxing winning all 7 comparison categories: exterior design, interior.
Brightline West's importance transcends direct comparison. As America's first private high-speed rail and first true 200s,
The CR400 Fuxing represents the pinnacle of operational high-speed rail globally, operating the world's fastest commercial systems.
Understanding context is essential. We're comparing an operational world-leading system running since 2017.
Brightline West matters immensely for American transportation. It brings proven high-speed rail technology to the United States.
Final verdict. The CR400 Fuxing wins decisively as the world's leading operational high-speed rail system. However, Brightline West
Mentions this. This comparison reveals America's high-speed rail lag behind China and other nations. The advantages of comprehensive state
American high-speed rail potential remains enormous. Brightline West's success could catalyze California high-speed rail completion.
Like Elite Origins on Facebook for in-depth railway discussions, community polls on future high-speed rail comparisons.
If this comparison helped you understand Brightline West versus the CR400 Fuxing in global high-speed rail development,